Thanks for tuning into Mystery Curtain, where every gadget has a story waiting to be told. Join me as we explore the latest innovation, test its limits, and decide if it. The Mercusys MR90X is a budget-friendly, high-performance router that brings Wi-Fi 6 AX6000 speeds to the masses without breaking the bank. At only $73, it offers features previously reserved for premium models. Priced 3 to 4 times higher, with support for up to 6 gigabits per second bandwidth, 8 external antennas, and a 2.5 gigabits per second one-LAN port. The MR90X is clearly positioned as a top contender in the mid-range router space. Bold design with 8 high-gain antennas. Unboxing the Mercusys MR90X, the first thing you'll notice is its aggressive, futuristic design. Featuring 8 fixed high-gain antennas. These antennas support beamforming technology, allowing the router to focus signal strength directly toward connected devices, for stronger, more reliable performance. Despite its powerful look, the router maintains a compact footprint at just 209 times 172.2 times 42.4 millimeters, making it easy to place on a desk, shelf, or entertainment center. The rugged black plastic body features sharp lines, air vents, and a durable construction that aids heat dissipation. The top panel includes a single LED indicator for internet status and a silver Mercusys logo, while the bottom houses extra ventilation holes, product information, and a setup reference. Port selection and connectivity. The MR90X offers a solid mix of ports. 2.5 gigabits per second one-LAN port, 1 gigabit per second one-LAN port, 2 gigabits per second LAN ports. The 2.5 gigabits per second RJ45 port is a standout feature, especially in this price range. It helps eliminate potential bandwidth bottlenecks for modern devices like desktops, NAS systems, or laptops capable of pushing beyond 1 gigabit per second speeds. This port also allows users to fully utilize the theoretical Wi-Fi 6 bandwidth of 2.4 gigabits per second on supported mobile devices and laptops. Also included are a reset button and a power input port, all neatly located on the rear side. Wi-Fi 6 AX6000 performance. While Wi-Fi 6 has been around for a few years, many users are just now beginning to see its true benefits, especially when paired with an AX6000 class router like the MR90X. This model delivers total wireless throughput of 6 gigabits per second, split as follows: 4,804 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band, 1,148 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band. These speeds are more than enough to handle demanding multi-device households, where simultaneous 4K streaming, online gaming, and large file transfers are common. In a real-world test setup, the MR90X demonstrated its strengths in a challenging apartment environment. Using an HP EliteBook 845 G9 as the server and a Samsung Galaxy S21 as the client, both supporting Wi-Fi 6 and the 160 MHz channel on the 5 GHz band, the MR90X held its ground impressively. Even through 2 concrete walls and at a 5-meter distance, the router maintained higher download and upload speeds compared to the Asus RTA X82X AX5400, showcasing better wall penetration and more stable performance. Advanced Wi-Fi 6 technologies. The MR90X supports all the key technologies of Wi-Fi 6, including 1024 QAM for higher data density. OFDMA enables simultaneous data delivery to multiple devices by splitting bandwidth into smaller units. MU-MIMO allows multiple devices to communicate with the router simultaneously without queuing. Beamforming directs stronger signals to connected devices for reduced latency and improved stability. Additionally, the router supports 160 MHz channels, which is a game-changer for devices that can take advantage of the broader bandwidth. User-friendly setup and app support. Mercusys makes it easy to configure and manage the MR90X. The Mercusys app offers a clean, intuitive interface for beginners to handle basic network setup, parental controls, and device management. For advanced users, a web-based dashboard is available, providing access to more detailed configurations like COS, port forwarding, and firmware upgrades. Conclusion: a feature-packed router at a stellar price. At just $73 USD, the Mercusys MR90X delivers AX6000 Wi-Fi 6 performance, 8 external antennas, and 2.5 gigabits per second wired connectivity. A combination rarely seen in routers under $100. It excels in high-bandwidth environments, supports multiple heavy-use devices simultaneously, and offers great customization options through app and web management. For users with high internet speeds, demanding use cases like NAS or game streaming, or simply many devices on the network, the MR90X is a value-packed option. And for those with more modest needs, Mercusys also offers alternatives like the Halo H80X mesh system. All in all, the MR90X is a strong signal that Mercusys is serious about delivering quality networking gear at unbeatable prices.